Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. And as usual, I am joined by my husband, Rick.
Hello.
Hi, baby.
Hey. Hi.
How are you doing?
Doing all right. Yep.
Okay.
I have to tell you, I mean, I'm looking at the thing in the middle and going, chocolate milkshake. And then I'm going, no, it's not a chocolate milkshake.
It almost has the consistency of a chocolate milkshake.
Yeah.
And look, the metal straws stand up straight.
Stand up straight. You have to chew it before you swallow. Okay.
So today we're doing something that we don't normally like to do. We don't like to promote. And guess what that is?
Good health.
What does that mean for you, mister?
Means I'm going for a cheeseburger after this.
Sure.
Hey, you heard it. She said sure.
As long as it gets you out of the house.
There you go.
So, instant coffee. I cannot believe how many people still drink instant coffee. Like, really. Why?
Oh, sure you can't stay for more coffee?
It's late, and Jim never has a second cup.
You know, I'd love another cup.
Jim never had seconds of my coffee.
I think just convenience. You
Yeah.
know, probably convenience factor is the number one driver, and they don't have to learn a whole lot.
No, they
Boil
don't.
the water, add the crystals,
Yes.
and call it a day, right?
One piece of equipment and that's a kettle.
Yeah.
You don't even need a kettle, you just need a pot.
So
and
low
stove.
cost too. Then
Yeah.
at that point as well, right? So
Well, and if you put sugar, sweeteners, and lots of cream, not for me though.
nope, not my favorite.
No. You miss out on the wide range of awesome flavors of all the different coffees from around the world. It's unfortunate, but here we are. In particular, I found it kind of interesting that there is mushroom coffee, mushroom instant coffee out there. And why do you think they would put mushroom? Lion's mane is a big one that I've noticed with lots of brands that they use. Why do you think they would put that in there, honey?
Because there's sadistic people out there just like you who like to mess with a perfectly good cup of coffee.
Come on, honey.
make me have to taste testing of what do you think of this?
Oh, this coffee smells like
Mushrooms to me should be fried up on a steak or on a burger. Or maybe even raw dipping or whatever, but
No.
not in my coffee.
Actually, mushrooms, uncooked, are not very healthy for you.
See, just when you think you're doing something right, you're not doing it right.
I'm sorry, honey. Mushrooms, button, creminis, portobellas all have anti-cancer properties in it, amongst other wonderful chemicals in it that actually help with so many different things. Digestion, your bacterial flora in your gut, lots of things. Lots of things. So,
And it tastes really good on a steak or a burger.
oh my God.
Butter, salt, pepper.
Okay, so I found a few different brands. We tried a couple. This particular one has a whole bunch of ingredients in it. It's basically, you know, hot water, a tablespoon and a half, and it's called Natural Traditions focus fuel coffee, because that's what the lion's mane mushroom is supposed to help you with, is with focus, decreases the jitters, the caffeine jitters that is, and help you be more creative.
Sorry, I lost focus. What?
Oh my God.
Focus. 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 Focus.
Jittery, my legs are going like drum roll under the table.
This has a form of MCT oil and cola, Brahmi mushrooms, lion mane, adaptogens, all sorts of stuff. And it's supposed to help say goodbye to foggy days, enjoy peak mental performance without the jitters. So we're gonna taste test this, but I'm gonna tell you, I looked up more research on the lion's mane and some of these other ingredients, and a lot of the research pretty much is just from what people say. They try it and they feel it works. Some say, no, they've tried it, it doesn't work.
So there's no real science behind it.
Exactly, thank you, honey. Whereas the whole thing with the cremini, button mushrooms, portobello mushrooms having anti-cancer properties, they've done tons of studies on it, amongst other things. Lots of research. Okay, shall we taste test?
Sure.
Okay, so let's try the hot one first, because this is how this company, Natural Traditions, you're actually supposed to get a blender, put the ingredients, the hot water, and this, you tried this before, come on.
But it just smells weird.
It does. It's the
just
coconutty. I don't know how people can drink it, because personally, no, I won't do it.
Tastes great.
You like coconut milk. Well, it has that coconutty thing. It doesn't have coconut milk in it.
It just doesn't taste right for coffee.
No.
No. Like I'm sorry. Like, I'm trying to be open-minded about it. And the fact that it separates the way that it does.
Well, I think that's why they tell you to put it in a blender.
Yeah, well, keep it in a blender. Just keep blending it and try and get a straw in there.
Okay, so because this little package, and I think it's 10 servings. Yes, 10 servings. Costs about $23.
Money well spent.
And the amount of lion's mane that you get in 1 cup apparently isn't quite the amount that you would really need to really have the effect. So you would probably need 2 of these.
So again, it's the companies sort of playing off of the health aspects of it. Mm-hmm. But I mean, really you have to drink more than what you really want to drink to get the levels of the beneficial stuff.
So that being said, I mean, you could go get lion's mane extract and the powders and whatever, but I didn't want this to go to waste, so I tried a couple different things that I put it into, and let's see how that tastes. Honey, what would you like to try first?
This ain't gonna taste like a chocolate milkshake, I can guarantee you. I can't even get it through the straw. My head's caving in. Banana.
You can taste banana in there?
Banana.
Yeah?
Hey, this
What
is
else?
I don't know, it's like a coffee banana.
Can you taste the peanut butter in there?
See, you put enough crap in there. You won't even taste that other stuff.
No.
This isn't bad. It's stupidly thick.
Yeah. So this is, I tried to follow how you do your smoothie, except I used way less water.
Wow. Well, there's a smoothie that I make that I love. It's supposed to. It's a meal replacement. and you put the powder in, but I put about just over a liter of water in, and then I add a banana, a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter, a couple tablespoons of hemp hearts, and geez, am I missing anything? And some ice cubes, whatever, and then I blend it up, and it's really good. It's one of my favorite if I'm gonna have a meal replacement. But this is actually not bad.
Yeah.
And has it got this stuff in it?
Yeah, I put 2 tablespoons in here.
But here's the thing. You probably want to thin it a little bit because it's like it's very thick, right? Like straw is not moving.
But that's according to the instructions.
Well,
I use the amount of water they stated.
it's not a matter that it fills you up. You just get tired of trying to drink it.
I'll use a spoon. I brought a
There you
spoon.
go. Yeah.
Okay, what's in here, hon? This is
Well,
a
I
favorite
can
of yours.
guarantee you that it's not the delicious dessert item that I bought from one of the local berry farms. That was in there. So this looks like it's the overnight oats, is it?
Correct.
Now, Paula makes these overnight oats as a quick thing, you know, for breakfast and stuff. And it's actually kind of like a bit of a dessert item, but it tastes really good. And it's a good, healthy thing. I mean, it's got oats and whatever else in it. I mean, you can...
You hate oats.
Okay, I hate mushy stuff. I don't like, you know, the real mushy cooked, like cream of wheat and that kind of stuff. And the porridge, no, that's not my go-to thing. But this is good. And then you put like some chocolate soy milk in here.
Yes.
There's your oats, some coconut.
Yes.
I'm gonna say looks like banana.
Yep.
And probably a heaping amount of that stuff too, I'm thinking.
Yep.
Not as good as it would be without that.
Do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
But I think
It's okay. It's
I've
not,
had it a few mornings and skipped my coffee. And it actually wasn't bad. I had a little bit of caffeine kick from it.
yeah. So, listen, at the end of the day, everybody has their own ideas what tastes good, what works, what doesn't work. These are just ideas we're throwing out there for you. This one's pretty good. Like the flavor's pretty tasty on that. But hey, listen, how can you go wrong with, like, you know, peanut butter and banana and all the rest in there? So,
Yeah.
but again, it's there's an aftertaste that I noticed with this coffee stuff.
Yes.
It's not just a coconut aftertaste. There's something else to it. I don't know whether it's the lion's mane or whatever it is.
Well, there are quite a few added ingredients, different oils. All right.
Yeah, that's interesting stuff.
So yeah, anything you can essentially put cocoa or chocolate or something into, you could put this in there.
If you wanted to.
That's just an idea.
Yeah, as I say, I wouldn't run out and buy it.
Yeah, I probably won't buy it again.
You know, and no offense to the brand, right? You know, it's their product, and but it's just not something that I would care to have.
But yeah, tastes good in there.
It is, but again,
That's just, I follow the instructions. What's wrong with that? Use a spoon.
I've seen ready set concrete thinner than that.
Whatever. All right.
All right, thank you very much.
Let's end this.
All right, folks, thank you so much for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. We really need your support. Also, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little reminder bell so you get notified when we got a new video coming out. Don't forget to visit our store. We got tons of stuff in there, really cool stuff, at groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca if you're in Canada, or groundsfordivorcecoffee.store for US and international. Thanks very much,
Thank you.
and we will see you next time.
Ciao, ciao.